Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long. I haven't been on the trail in ages, but we have a really nice, glorious day here today. We're at the Sheep Carve Trails. We've got the C44 KM today, guys. And yeah, I've been doing a little bit of playing around with it. I made it super flexy with the C14/24 springs. I've also added on the rear, I don't know if we can see those there, some Fonzie custom RC shocks here as well. And I've put V4 tyres on. I've got Bantam Engineering foams, really nice and soft, and I've drilled a hole in the wheel itself, so yeah, let some air pressure out. Running the Res 3, driver on board with all the camping gear. So I've clicked it into first gear, guys, so I got lots of nice slow control, and especially control on the descents. We all know how good the Res 3 is on the descents. Yeah, I've been waiting to get I'll get him nickname. I'll call it Link, after the Nintendo character. It's green. He's up for an adventure. Switch up the angles for you guys. I'm gonna try and climb these rocks now. Get my front tyre up on my right hand rock, and obviously left should follow. Easy peasy. Holding well on the traverse and the loose ground. V4 tyres doing very well. Oh, did I speak too soon? No, still putting down some good traction. Slow and steady, straight up she goes. Okay, we're at the rocky riverbed and slippery slope. I think this is where it's going to hold its own. Super flexy from those softer springs from the C14. Plenty of travel with the slightly longer shock shafts, and slowly just creeping through. Come on. Oh, somebody call the winch guy. Bring it back slowly. Front axle's hooked up somewhere. Not a good line by my part. Try and follow this rock round. Now cut back in. Oh, look at that tyre pop, really nice. Bit of axle catch in there. Let's try and use this. Let's try and use this outside rock. Lift me up to where I need to go. It looks like I'm gonna have to transfer over to this rock to get through. Oh, nice. Oh. Pretty bad departure there on my part. And I think we're through onto the slippery slope, guys. So the slippery slope, extremely slippery and greasy. And what I'm going to try first is just some constant speed in first gear, just to see if it'll put grip down. If not, I can always put it in. Oh, never mind, straight up. I was going to say I can put it in high gear and use wheel speed, but yeah, that thing just gripped all the way up. What a little machine. We're going to jump straight over to the tricky tree line, guys. So far, I'm really impressed. I love how the Res 3 handles the descents. And yeah, this is going to be a fine example of that. The control, and just look how gently that's coming down. Just tapping the trigger and it's holding the revs. Nice bit of flex there. Those springs taking everything. Ooh. Oh, this is the butt clenching bit. Oh. Slowly does it. If worst comes to worst, I'm just going to throttle it just so I catch it, but nicely does it. Yeah, we have a problem at all for it, guys. This thing is turning out to be a little trail monster, to be fair, guys. Really nice steering angle, plenty of flex, plenty of grip, plenty of control out that Res 3. Oh, this thing is going places that I've never taken a WPL chassis before. Like, I wouldn't dream of doing this in one of my trail tracks, but I feel confident. Really steep traverse. The camera is not showing how sideways I am here, guys. Straight up and over. Well done, Link. I am honestly having a blast, guys. This is a line that me and my dad found when we explored these woods quite a bit. And yeah, it's pretty testing. The C44 could do it in its standard form, but it was really testing. So I'm hoping Link can make easy work of this. Hooked up on the gearbox. Bring it back slightly. There we go. Here comes the trickiest part. Mounting this tree. There we go, there we go. All about getting that grip down somehow now. Got those V4 tyres. Try a different line with my back wheel to do some work. There we go, up she goes. Look at that, guys. Oh, amazing. Just enough clearance there from that big fat 2-speed, the big belly. Gonna try and work our way down the other side now, guys. Oh, I'm hooked up. Spoke too soon about that clearance. There we go. Oh God. Extremely steep. I think we can see ourselves going over here, guys. Yes, Link. And it's the finishing tree line, guys. Honestly, I've said it probably too many times today, but it's been a blast. I've had a pleasure. This thing is so capable. Handles like a dream. Look at that flex there, no tyre pop. And I highly recommend the C44 KM chassis, guys. It's so fun to modify. It was fun as a farm truck, but yeah, this is so much better. Being the capable little thing that it is. Well, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.